What famous cases influence stalking orders in family law? Have you ever wondered how stalking orders came to be in family law? The journey is quite fascinating and involves some significant cases that changed the legal landscape. Let's take a closer look at a few of these landmark cases that influenced the development of stalking orders. One of the earliest and most impactful cases involved actress Teresa Saldana in 1982. She was stalked and violently attacked by someone who had obtained her personal information through deceitful means. This shocking incident highlighted the dangers of stalking and led to the creation of the first anti-stalking laws in the United States. In 1990, California enacted Penal Code Section 646.9, which made it illegal to willfully and maliciously harass or follow someone, causing credible threats and fear for their safety. This case set a legal precedent for stalking orders. Another significant case was the tragic murder of actress Rebecca Sheffer in 1989. Her stalker also acquired her address through a private investigator. This heartbreaking event underscored the lethal risks associated with stalking and reinforced the need for stronger legal protections, including restraining orders and criminal penalties for stalkers. In the realm of family law and domestic violence, the case of Christine Belford stands out. After a difficult divorce and custody battle, Belford faced years of stalking and harassment from her ex-husband and his family. This situation culminated in her murder at a courthouse in 2013. The investigation led to the first convictions under federal cyberstalking laws included in the Violence Against Women Act. This case emphasized the connection between stalking, domestic violence, and custody issues, shaping how stalking orders are applied to protect family members from ongoing harassment, including online stalking. From a constitutional viewpoint, the Supreme Court case Counterman v. Colorado addressed the limits of stalking laws in relation to First Amendment rights. The court ruled that for stalking convictions, it is not necessary to prove the stalker's intent to instill fear. Instead, it is enough that the communication caused serious emotional distress. This ruling impacts how stalking orders are enforced, especially in family law where ongoing contact between parties may occur. In practical terms, stalking orders, which are also known as restraining orders or protective orders, are used to prevent continued harassment, threats, or violence by one family member against another. These orders can cover physical stalking, harassment, and increasingly, cyberstalking. The famous cases we discussed have shaped the criteria for issuing these orders, emphasizing the need for credible threats and repeated behavior that causes fear or emotional distress. They also influence the penalties for violations, which can vary from misdemeanors to felonies based on the severity of the situation. Overall, stalking orders in family law have been significantly influenced by high-profile cases involving violent attacks and domestic violence. These cases have led to the establishment of anti-stalking laws and shaped the legal standards for protection against harassment. Understanding these cases helps us see how the law works to protect victims from ongoing harm.